Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to this video on how to make passive income with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can earn a passive income using these two powerful tools. Firstly, let's start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can be used for various purposes. It can answer customer queries, automate repetitive tasks, and even generate leads. One way to make passive income with ChatGPT is to use it as a lead generation tool for your business. By integrating ChatGPT on your website or social media platforms, you can collect potential customer data, which can be used for future marketing campaigns. Another way to make passive income with ChatGPT is by offering chatbot services to other businesses. Many businesses are looking to automate their customer service, and you can offer your ChatGPT services to these businesses for a fee. This can be a great way to earn passive income, as you can set up the chatbot once and let it run on its own. Now, let's move on to Midjourney AI. Midjourney AI is an AI-powered marketing automation tool that can help businesses automate their marketing campaigns. With Midjourney AI, you can automate email campaigns, lead scoring, and even create personalized marketing experiences for your customers. One way to make passive income with Midjourney AI is to offer marketing automation services to other businesses. Many businesses are looking to automate their marketing campaigns, and you can offer your Midjourney AI services to these businesses for a fee. This can be a great way to earn passive income, as you can set up the marketing automation once and let it run on its own. Another way to make passive income with Midjourney AI is by using it to promote affiliate products. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for each sale that you generate. With Midjourney AI, you can create personalized marketing experiences for your customers, which can increase the chances of them purchasing the affiliate product. In conclusion, ChatGPT and Midjourney AI are powerful tools that can help you make passive income. Whether you use them to generate leads for your business or offer services to other businesses, these tools can help you earn passive income while you sleep. So, what are you waiting for? Start using ChatGPT and Midjourney AI today and start earning passive income. Thanks for watching.